Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 20th of February, 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Energy Community Seacoop, which unites 34 Belgian energy cooperatives, wants citizens to participate in the production and sale of green electricity by taking a share in the existing Northwind offshore wind farm. Additionally, Seacoop intends to participate in a collaboration for the Princess Elisabeth Zone tender. Seacoop has entered into an agreement to buy into Aspiravi offshore for 10% of the capital of Northwind. Aspiravi owns 70% of the wind farm, and the remaining interest is held by Sumitomo Corporation. In New Hampshire, USA, the State House of Representatives approved a bill updating the state's energy policy to emphasize fossil fuels over renewable sources. The House also eliminated several offshore wind energy-related offices from the Department of Energy in its session Thursday. This is the latest in a series of state legislatures, which have chosen regressive policies inspired by the federal position on renewable energy from the current administration. House Bill 682 would remove the Office of Wind Energy from the Department of Energy, repeals the Offshore Wind Industry Workforce Training Center Committee, and the Offshore and Port Development Commission. In Kansas, Brown County commissioners unanimously voted to adopt a zoning regulation that would prohibit the development of commercial wind projects in unincorporated areas of the county, with the exception of land within 3 miles of Hiawatha, Horton, and Sabetha. Back during a special meeting on January 10th, the Brown County Planning Commission recommended adopting the zoning regulation regarding wind energy development. The Vietnamese Ministry of Industry and Trade has proposed delaying the development of offshore wind power until after 2030, instead of meeting the initial target of 6,000 megawatts within the next 5 years. The revised plan proposes developing this energy source after 2030, reaching approximately 17,000 megawatts by 2035, the minister said. Instead, over the next 5 years, Vietnam will focus on developing onshore and nearshore wind power, with a targeted capacity of 27 to 34 gigawatt. Haidian Operation and Maintenance fully connected the DeepSeek R model to their asset operations and maintenance platform in China. As early as June 2024, the company successfully launched AI Administrative Knowledge Graphs and Wind Turbine Knowledge Graph AI assistants based on big models such as GLM and Q. It integrates the professional operation and maintenance experience accumulated by more than 400 Haidian operation and maintenance engineers. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.